go get on these catfish ass, man. Let's go get it, bro. Yee yee. Let's go catfishing. I had to make a quick pit stop, but I'm back and I'm ready. Let's continue on with our journey. We made it to the fishing spot. I'm just bagging in right now, man. Gonna get set up. I'm gonna murder these catfish. This one. This is the all new 93.7 The Beat. Yeah. How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy, Nature Boy. How y'all doing? Oh, it's destined to be some catfish in here. There's a lot of rainwater from up north here in Oyster Creek. It's now spilling the bank right here. Hey, look at that, man. I found me some treasure, bro. I found a flipper. What is that? So much treasure under this bridge. I came here today for fishing though, not treasure hunting, so I'm gonna leave it behind. Oh, I can see the other one right here. Oh yeah, I got a set now. Yeah, they're two different colors though. They're the same ones, two different colors. This is going to my treasure collection though, for sure. Yeah, man. Alright, how to catch catfish 101 after a rainstorm. Alright, I'm catfishing it. I got 2 lines out, 2 tight lines, ugly stick, and a Shakespeare. And we're catfishing. Yeah, man. Oyster Creek off of 521. This is after a couple days of rain. I'm getting a bite right now. I'm getting a bite right now. Dude, I am fighting something huge right now. I'm hooked up to something huge. Oyster Creek. That's my blue catfish, Oyster Creek. Nature Boy got it done. You know what time it is, man? I'm telling you, I got it done. Yeah, we're gonna harvest this bad boy, man. He ain't gonna make it. I ain't throwing him back. I know a hungry family, so I'm gonna harvest him and give him to a hungry family. Walk it like I talk it. 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 La 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 la. Catfish 101. Told y'all boys, Nature Boy don't play. Look at that blue, man. Yeah, man. I don't play around, bro. Oyster Creek, 521. Nature Boy got it done.